This flexibility exercise literally rocked my world. It opened up my rib cage and my legs in such a way that I just have to share the love with you. So what you want to do is you want to get into a big, deep adductor stretch, and sometimes I like to inch it a little bit farther. Now this is designed to really open up your rib cage and your QL, your Quadratus Lumborum. And so what you do is you find a nice wall that's smooth, and in the beginning you just straighten out your arms completely. And then as an advanced way to do this exercise is that you just add a little bit of resistance. I have a 4-pound ball. And you can go 6 pounds, 8 pounds, 10 pounds, 15 pounds. And what you do is you bring your arms straight above your head and you activate the legs. You squeeze the legs. Squeezing the muscles is what actually gives you that deeper stretch. So I'm just going to go gently back and forth. 2, 2. And every single time, I'm just going to go maybe like a millimeter farther, right? 3, 3. I really love it because my rib cage and my QL on my left side has been locked up for years, and I just couldn't figure out how to open it, how to do it. But this is probably one of those exercises that I just, when I discovered it, really allowed to open up. Plus, the active part of the stretch for my legs is what releases the hamstrings and releases the adductors. Remember, when you flex your muscles while you stretch, it really opens up your muscles even more. Active isolated stretching is probably one of the things that has rocked my world more than any other kind of static stretch where you just hold the stretch. When you activate your muscles while you stretch, you're actually sending communication to the tendons to release, to the muscles to release even more, and it gives you that nice, deep, full range of motion. That feels so good. Remember, like I say, for every other exercise that you do, especially when it comes to flexibility, is just do the reps.